There's a little caterpillar I don't recognize on my passion flower. I've already taken a chunk out of it. So I was wondering if this caterpillar was going to chew my passion flower into oblivion. But it kind of looks as if it's gotten a bit bigger. It's just kind of camping out. So keep on camping. Looks like there are some ants tending to some farming activities here, doesn't it? Passion flower caterpillar is getting larger and larger, and it ate the leading leaf, so I might wind up, yeah, there we go. I'll wind up getting some lateral branches from this. That'll be kind of nice, kind of bush out, won't it? Maybe it'll give me some flowers and maybe a piece of fruit before it's all over this year.